As Professor Gaitonde boarded the Jijamata Express from Pune to Bombay, he had no idea what he was about to experience. The train was faster than the Deccan Queen, and he was passing through different towns and villages. As he was lost in thought, he met a man named Khan Sahib who started talking about his business and many other things. They talked until they reached Victoria Terminus Station, which was neat and clean, and had British officers, Parsis, and Anglo-Indian staff all around. Professor Gaitonde was confused about how the East India Company was ruling the country when, according to his facts, they had fled away after the events of 1857. He decided to explore the town to get some answers. He entered the Forbes building to inquire about Mr. Vinay Gaitonde, but as checked by the receptionist, no such man had ever worked there. Feeling frustrated and confused, he went to the town hall and sat in the reading room. He picked up 5 books related to the history of India and decided to go through them one by one to check how the facts have changed. He started investigating from the period of Asoka to the Third Battle of Panipat. As he read the 5th volume, Vasahi Bakar, he discovered that the Marathas had won the Battle of Panipat and spread their influence all over India after that. It was different from what he had known so far, and he started to investigate further. He realized that after the victory, India was moved to the path of democracy, and there were no longer any kings ruling. Democratic parties had been set up. The professor was amazed by what he was reading. This country knew how to stand on its feet and was no longer a slave under the white man. However, as he was going through the book, the librarian informed him that they were closing the library. It was already 8 o'clock. He asked if he could carry the books with him as he would return the next morning and slip the Bakar book into his left pocket. As he walked towards Azad Maidan, he noticed a large crowd of people heading towards a pandal. A lecture was going on, but the presidential chair was empty. The speaker was talking, and the crowd was continuously moving inside and outside. Curiosity got the better of him, and he moved towards the stage and sat on the chair. The crowd was taken aback and started asking him to get up and move away. He tried to talk to them, but they started throwing several objects at him, such as tomatoes, eggs, and more. Soon, the crowd moved towards him to push him away, and he was nowhere to be seen. When he woke up, he saw Rajendra in front of him. He narrated the whole sequence of events that took place, and Rajendra listened to him amazed. The professor was confused as to where he was and if he had been in a coma for the past 2 days. What was the experience he just had? Was it real or not? Rajendra explained to him that he had experienced 2 theories, catastrophe theory and lack of determinism and quantum theory. Catastrophe theory states that a small change in any situation can result in a shift in behavior. In reality, the Marathas lost their leader, Bausahib and Vishwarao, and hence they lost the battle. But Professor saw that the bullet missed and Vishwarao was not dead. Professor Gaitonde then showed him the torn page of the Bakar book that he had in his pocket. Rajendra read it carefully and told him that realities can be different for different people. What he thought had